Hello, so I've just moved into my friend's house out of mine, and I'm having the day off to rest because I've had such a stressful few days that I just cannot use my brain to work or anything. But what I can do is crochet. So I suddenly had this crochet top pattern idea, and I want to bring you along. I think it's going to be pretty quick and simple. Obviously, I'm in Mexico, so most of my stuff is for the summer. So I'm going to be doing like a triangle cup bra and a specific stitch that I found. I can't remember the name of it, but maybe I'll find it. And I want to create it as a pattern for you guys as well, so let's see what it looks like by the end of this video, and I'm gonna take photos as we go just in case it's correct. It's made to measure. All my stuff is made to measure. It's the only way I think is necessary for everyone to wear crochet, because who doesn't want to wear crochet? Anywho, this might be like a really chill video, just a cozy thing because it's raining. I don't have much energy, but I do want to show you my process, so that's what we're going to do. I am going to be using this green, my favorite green of them all. Adorable. And a green hook. My favorite color is green. And my best friend made me green, pearly green necklace and green earrings to match. She's no longer with me, she moved to Spain now, but cute. All right, let's go. Okay, so this is how much I did last night. I think it looks super cute. I've done one pineapple and I'm on to the next. It actually looks really cute. I'm quite impressed with it now that I'm seeing it in the light. This is the first time I've picked it up this morning. Okay, I'm gonna keep going. Once I've done the repeating pattern to the length that I want, I'll come back to you. So before I start, I also want to recommend this TV series I'm watching on Apple TV. It's called Bad Sisters, and it's an Irish based series, and it's amazing. Everybody go watch it. I literally bought Apple TV for this specific reason, and it was very much worth it. That's what I'm going to do right now whilst I'm crocheting the repeating pattern. I'm having a chill Monday morning, waiting for the gas man because it's raining every single day. I can't wait to move to the coast. Like, I think I'm having seasonal depression again. I ran away from England because it was raining, and now I'm back in the country in a, what is this, a state or whatever, somewhere in Mexico in the mountains, and it's just raining. I've been here a full year. I tried it out. That was my dog. And I don't want it no more. Your girl gotta go to the beach, and that's why she's making all of these clothes look at that cutie patootie. Okay. I've done a sleeve, nope, a strap. I decided to do half double, I've got the hiccups, half double crochet and then 3 single crochets at the end. Oh my god. I had a boiled egg, it was a bit dry. Anyway, so I'm onto the other cup and I will be doing the strap now. I am done. Oh my god, I did something. Okay, I'm gonna try it on. So this is it, my finished piece, and I am so happy with it. I still need to block it so it's just like this, nice and flowy, but look at the back. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Yay! So I will be making this a pattern. If you would like to test it out, then please head over to my Instagram. The same is the, so my social media is the same everywhere. I hope you enjoyed this video and comment below if you like it, if you think I should change anything, what colors you would use, all of that stuff that I like. Please like, comment, subscribe. I would really appreciate it. I want this to be my job. I really do try, and I love crocheting and knitting so much that I just want to do it for the rest of my life at this point. I'm nearly 30, so anyway, I will be making a lot more of these videos, and I'll be coming out with so much more patterns. I will be making my summer wardrobe because I'm moving down to the beach, so I'm very excited about being creative with all of that stuff. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you all another time.